Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup with Jennifer Woolsey. I hope you're having a great morning. I'm getting ready because my church is having an Easter drive-in. So we are going to drive in, stay in our cars, listen to our worship and message, and go home and celebrate Easter. So I hope you're all having a great day. I just blow dried my hair with my new blow dryer, you guys. Check this out. This is a Chi Advanced Iconic. Watch this. It's so powerful. It is awesome. It's coming soon. You guys are going to love it. So, what is your family doing for Easter? We have ham in the crock pot and some potatoes with it. We are going to come home and have a nice Easter dinner, just my husband and my kids and I. And then, I don't know, my boys really aren't into egg hunting, so we may go ride four-wheelers or do something fun like that. We're going to start with some VDL primer. Going to prime that face, give it a little bit of extra glimmer, and get it ready for the foundation. Okay, so that we are all primed up. The cool thing about this VDL is it also helps blur pores and blemishes on your face. So if you are, feeling like, ugh, I don't know where all these blemishes come from. So I have a renewed sense of hope this morning. I'm using shade Cannoli in the Cashmere Complexion. There's something about Easter and it marking the sign of spring, and in my religion that my Savior has risen from the dead. And it's just something about new beginnings and just the hope that brings, that even though we are on day, 30 of isolation for our family, there's hope. This too shall pass, and we will come out the other end. And so I hope that you're feeling that hope this morning. So I put a little bit of that Cashmere Complexion on my hand, and then I'm just kind of putting it into my skin, just lightly patting. So what is your family doing for Easter? I don't know why I can't talk this morning. My allergies. With spring and renewed hope also comes seasonal allergies, which I suffer from apparently. So what are you doing? Are you cooking a dinner for your family? Are your kids Easter egg hunting? Is your church doing a drive-in church? I don't know why I put a dress on. I guess I just needed to feel some type of normalcy. I think that's probably the thing that we all crave the most, is some type of normalcy in our lives, because it feels like it's all been ripped away. Cashmere Complexion and Mochi. And so for me, anything I can do for my boys to bring back normalcy and still protect them is a win-win, right? So that's what we are doing today. Okay, so I'm just kind of touching up some different places on my face that I feel like needs a little bit of extra TLC with that concealer. And then I'm going to take my ring finger, and just gently pat it in. Just like so, to cover, especially for me, those dark spots. I also put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids, and that also helps give your foundation a base. There we go. Okay, so we just gently patted it in. My lighting in here is not so good this morning, so I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing here. Okay, next we are going to use a dark brown eye pencil and just fill in those eyebrows just a little bit. Good morning. Yes, we will celebrate. This too shall pass. That's what I was just saying. This too shall pass, and we will celebrate at the peach orchard because we don't want to cook. I did put a ham in the crock pot. You'll be proud of me. And Chad's wrapping some potatoes to put in there. So when we get home from our drive-in church, we'll have ham and some potatoes, and then I'll make some kind of vegetable to go with it. Okay. Yay! Okay, done. Now, I'm so excited. Our new Magic's Dust is a very fine, translucent, loose powder. This, too, will be available on Tuesday for you guys to order. Oh, Chris, you missed me showing my new hairdryer. Check this out. Bam. It blew my phone. That's how powerful it is. It's awesome. Okay, so I just dumped a little of that in my cap. And I'm just going to set my makeup with it. A translucent loose powder is a great way to get a flawless look and help set your makeup in place all day. This powder is so fine, yet it has such a beautiful texture to it. It almost feels like, I don't know, you're wrapping a little bit of cashmere on your face. So I'm excited for y'all to be able to get your hands on it. Chris, what are you thinking about the Cashmere Complexion? Have you tried it? What are your thoughts? I know you ordered one. Okay, so that's Magic's Dust. So excited. All right, we're going to do some eyes with our Mono Pop eye pencil. So what are you guys doing for Easter? Share with me in the comments section. If you're watching on YouTube, then comment below. What are you doing for Easter? So we're going to pick up these two colors. I know a lot of my friends have littler kids, and so, you know, they're still doing like an egg hunt in their backyard. I seen where some families were doing glow-in-the-dark egg hunts last night, which is really cool. That sounds like a lot of fun. My boys could care less about bending over and picking anything up. So we are not going to do an egg hunt. Okay. Covered the base of our eyes with those two colors. I'm going to go in with this gold today. I think I'm going to use it to work my crease. And go for a golden sunshine. Like a sunrise look, right? Because at sunrise, they found that the tomb was empty. So let's do a sunrise look in honor of while we celebrate Easter. So I'm doing kind of a V here, going here, and then I'm coming here. And doing a little bit of a V shape. I need to do the same thing on this side. What do you think? Is that a golden sunrise look? I love it. Okay. Let's see. I'm fixing Mom's barbecue chicken, red beans, corn. Oh, that sounds amazing. Super Extend liquid liner. Oh, that sounds good. I don't know why ham was something that sounded good to me. So I mixed up the glaze and put it in the crock pot, wrapped it up. Wrapped it up in full and put it in my crock pot. And Chad's like, why'd you do that? And I read online that it was like making a double oven. We shall see how it turns out. There we go. The eyes are lined. Ah! Okay. Next, we're going to curl the lashes. Okay, so I think I have our giveaway lined up. It's going to be coming the first of this week. So if you can, you don't want to miss our lives this week, at least Monday and Tuesday, because there may be an extra special thing that you can have the opportunity to win. So don't miss it. Okay. Love Mascara for the win. It is loving on those lashes, lengthening them, giving them a little pop, volume for me to sit in my car and worship. I don't know why I felt the need to get dressed up, except that I feel like I'm getting to leave the house, which is exciting, and getting to go do something that used to be normal for me. So, Moisture Cushion Blush in Coral. You guys, if you have not tried this blush, it's so awesome. Never thought Coral would be a shade for me. Ready? There we go. Just a little bit of color on those cheeks, just to kind of bring it all together. Of course, you guys know I have my new favorite shade in the Mattitude, which is Respect. Respect. This shade by far has to be my favorite. It comes in a 3-piece set, give them two, and you get 2 other beautiful colors with it. This is my favorite. It just is so pretty. Such a pretty color. Okay, so I'm going to do just a couple of curls and show you the new Lava Curl and Spin. Y'all ready? So it just pulls up in my hair. And I'm going to let it set for just a few minutes. I had it turned on already. I'll let it set for just a few minutes and let's see. Let's see what comes out. A nice curl. Have you ever been one of those people that you hot rolled and you hot sticked and you did all the things and nothing ever worked on your hair? Well, that is my hair to a T. For some reason, this Curl and Spin, it gives me life. It gives me body. And it's coming out soon. Like I said, you don't want to miss Monday and Tuesday because there's going to be something fun for you to do. Also, I'm part of a online craft show, which is going to be really cool, starting Monday. And it's just an opportunity for you to see some different people with some different products. And I would love to send you an invite, but you have to tell me that you want to go so I can send you a personal invite. Oh, yes, it's made for long hair, Cindy. Yes, everybody that I've seen do it with long hair. I'll just share some pictures. I'll share some pictures of people with long hair that have done it. It's a beautiful curl. And I'm going to do Erica, my nurse that helps with the boys. We did it on her long hair the other day, and it was beautiful curls. I was wondering if it would even work on short hair. So that was my main concern. But everyone I've seen it with long hair, it does amazing, amazing things. So I'm going to do a few more curls. And then we are going to get ready to go to Drive-In Easter. So share in the comments again what you're doing with your family to celebrate Easter. And see, it just brings a beautiful curl. So imagine if my hair was long, how that curl would go down. It's amazing. An amazing product. Every woman with hair needs it. You need this. So I'll give you all the details on how to get it on Tuesday. So you guys are not going to want to miss my live on Tuesday. And I'll do an announcement letting you know what time I'm going to go live. Probably going to be around 8 o'clock. Okay, let me see. The other thing I figured out with it is if you'll do smaller pieces, it seems to, it seems to curl better with smaller pieces. And my hair has never helped curl, so it typically will fall right out. And with this thing, it doesn't, and it doesn't pull or yank on your hair, which is amazing. So that's my favorite new tool. Okay, guys, so I have to get off and get finished getting ready. I hope that you all have an amazing, happy Easter, celebrating with your friends, and that you have a renewed hope that this too shall pass, and we have a new season coming, and it's going to be okay. All right? So have a great day. I love you all. Comment below if you want more information on how to get these products, or message me, and I'll be happy to help set you up. Thanks, guys. Talk to y'all later.